Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 20th of August, 2024. I found this stock right here that is giving us this buy signal on the weekly time frame, and I think we might add this to our simulated portfolio. Now, before I break this down, welcome to the particular channel, HueFin News. What we do price predictions just by simply look at the price chart, nothing more, nothing less. If you find that very attractive, if you guys like that there's a simpler way to break down price action to see where stocks are going to go, then go ahead and join me. Hit that like button, save and also subscribe for more information. Now, the stock is Alpha and Omega Semiconductor. AOSL is the ticker symbol. Why would I look at this particular market and add this to our simulated portfolio? Well, for one, this stock is on a trend. What is the current trend in the market for AOSL, for Alpha and Omega? We're trending higher in price. That's one. Two, look at what we're getting off the weekly time frame. We just got a buy signal triggered into the market right there. Okay, cool. Something for us to pay attention to. And then three would be us noticing a buy zone right around that particular area where the market is trading. Okay, so we're going to create a buy zone right around here for Alpha and Omega. This is the buy zone. Why would I say that? Because right there on August the 5th, the market was on a massive downtrend and then it stopped. What do you know? And then at the earnings for Alpha and Omega came out, all this volume just didn't go away. It didn't evaporate. It went somewhere. Somebody bought it. And the next day, on the 9th, what did the price action do in Alpha and Omega? It went up. So I would have to say that this whole area right around here is where people find the price of Alpha and Omega attractive and they begin to buy more. Right? That's the third reason. Now, given that we're going to add this to the portfolio, we still need to be careful and cognizant and say, yeah, it may go up, but look at all this massive weakness right here. So should we be massively bullish? Oh no, because this past history is telling us, yeah, we may see market trend up, but we also got to contend with the people who are trying to sell this stock too, because they're there. Take a look at Alpha and Omega right here on the 2-day time frame. What do you think? Yeah, there's some sellers still here, and we're getting it on these 2-day bars right there. These three. Let's take a look at it on the 3-day chart. You still see the sellers right here, here, and here. So it looks like sellers are hitting the market in Alpha and Omega right here. That's the lid. That's the problem. If buyers are able to take the sellers out around $39.25, then we need to target higher levels. Okay, so let's see. Because it kind of looks like the buyers are trying to chip away at these sellers. Okay, so these are areas right here we need to pay attention to. Right here, it's a sell zone. And then I got one more right around here. So these will be our targets. Okay, not looking for too much, but definitely we can see when price hit, when the market moved to this level, the reaction was immediate selling and it came down. Okay, so let's put the prediction on the charts and see what we're working with. So long as the market in AOSL, Alpha and Omega, hold this 3150 area, I think there's a greater probability that the market wants to trend up. Okay, and our first target is going to be right around this sell zone, maybe around $41.40 or even around 43. One of these areas, that would be our first target. Then our second target is going to be close to the high that occurred in Alpha and Omega back in July of last month? Yeah. where it came around like 47. So yeah, we've been here before. Like, look at this history to where Alpha and Omega was around 60, 70 bucks back in 2022. Okay. So let's go ahead and add this to the simulated portfolio. Today is the 28th. And the price currently is $37.66. Okay, now let's go and look at the other stocks that we got. Okay, so this were the stocks that were in our portfolio back in July. Let's go to BABA real quick. You guys can see what's going on to the market there. We did hit a high on the 26th of August for BABA, right around $85, $86. We're still in this simulated stock right here. Let's look at NAM. Okay, so the market here on this particular stock currently is giving us some pretty good movement. I think we might want to get this out. If we were to get out now to the market, it's around 10% there. Look at this on a different time frame. See if there's still strength on the chart. And pull this back. Okay. Let's look at this on the 3. 4. And the 5. So yeah, this stock is still bullish. I think we're going to let it go. For us, we're going to let this one go. So let's go ahead and get this one out the way. Let's go ahead and see. The sell date will be today, the 28th. And selling at $52.70. That would give us what? 10, almost 11% profit right there. All right, so let's cut this out the way. Let's get this stuff out of the way, clean up the chart. And if it comes back again, that the market still wants to trend higher, then we'll add it back to the portfolio. Okay, so we got that one. Let's go to GDX. Doesn't look too bad. I think we're going to hold on to this one a little while longer. On the 5-day chart, you guys can see we did get this buy triggered into the market. I think once we near closer to this first sell zone is where we'll probably let this one go. Let's look at Annaly and LY. Yeah, this one is still trading within a range. It hasn't broken out yet, so we'll just continue to hold on to that one. Here's cars. This one did take a massive move to the downside, but we're still within range of looking for the market to try to trend up. I don't like this though at all. May need to let this one go as well. It's on the 5-day chart here. It's on the weekly. I may give it like another week to see if it wants to trend up to the upside and just try to minimize those losses on this one. Let's look at this on the monthly. Yeah, I like it on the monthly chart though, but this market definitely is not trying to break below this buy zone. So yeah, I'm gonna hold it there. I'm just gonna leave this one there too as well. Let's go to AGNC. This one looks pretty good on the monthly chart right now. 2 more days, 9 hours. It's still reflecting the market wants to trend up. It's just like Annaly, to where the market isn't breaking out just yet, but it's something that we're going to keep on our list, on our portfolio. Let's go to US Bank Corp. Same thing here. It was a quick move to the downside, but the market came to our area to where we were expecting the buyers to be, and they definitely came in on this week, the week of August the 5th, and look what's been going on to the market. We're actually trading at our sell zone now, so I'm trying to see if the market wants to break that sell zone in US Bank Corp, and right now it looks like it wants to. Here it is on the monthly chart. It looks bullish there too as well, so no need for us to get rid of that one. Let's look at Royalty Pharma. Same thing here. Market came to our buy zone, and now we're trending, breaking even from when we originally added this to the portfolio. So now we're finally breaking even. So we're going to hold on to that one too. Franklin Electric, same thing here. Market came and held to this trend line. So we're still trending bullish into the market for Franklin Electric. So there's no need for us to change that one. Let's go to VeriSign. Nothing too much happening here neither. Doesn't look too bad. Market definitely is holding within our buy zone, so we're just going to continue to hold it. Nothing really to talk about into the market in VeriSign just yet. Let's go ahead and look at Pfizer. Pfizer, pretty much the same thing. I want to see price trend up, and we're not really getting that into the market in Pfizer. Let's go to Pepsi. Pepsi's pretty good so far. Nothing too much drastic that is occurring. It's still trading within this range. This one might just be a small profit, and we just need to let it go and go on to the next move. And let's look at Enphase. So here's Enphase right now. Currently, we're definitely sitting at a pretty good area, 7.5% there. Let's look at this on the monthly chart. Still looks pretty bullish. All these monthly price bars, and the market is not breaking down. It's telling us a whole lot. So we're going to hold on to Enphase right now too. Let's look at Solentum. Market currently is hitting the sell zone. So what would you like to do? Get out 2%? Nah. We're going to hold on to it just a little while longer, especially if we see the market close on the high of this monthly price bar. Let's go ahead and look at Zillow. Same thing here. Market currently is hitting the sell zone. I want to see the market break it. If it doesn't break, we understand the reason why, and you might have to take this one at a loss too. 2 days, 9 hours. Look at Zillow. Even on the monthly time frame, we're getting that buy signal trigger right now. It's pretty good to see right now, but we got 2 days though. That can definitely change. And then we just added Alpha. Let's go to Shopify. Same thing here. Pretty bullish on the monthly chart. Here it is on the weekly. Nothing too much yet, but the market definitely is looking bullish. We might let this go when it hits this sell zone here, maybe around 9.5% or so. But yeah, we're going to hold on to that one as well. So real quick look, just trying to evaluate the stocks that's in the simulated portfolio. If anything changes, like I said, we'll sell it or take it at a profit if we see more weakness coming in. So yeah, go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.